Hey, are you thinking about starting affiliate marketing, but you think it's too hard and too expensive? Well, I have a very cool solution for you. Keep watching, and I promise you won't regret it.
Anyone can do it. The only way to fail is if you don't try. This is the easiest affiliate marketing system any newbie or serious online marketer could hope for. I found this particular company that pays big affiliate commissions in the reseller for right platform product niche. But what's even better is that they do the follow-ups for you. Meaning, you don't have to mess with autoresponders, and you don't have to write any emails. Because they do it for you. Every email they send contains your affiliate link. Plus, they send helpful daily business training tips. I know 'cause I subscribe to them. And they offer different hot products, and even monthly membership to their paid newsletter. It's really amazing, because all you have to do is create a 10 seconds video, or share the opportunity to your social, blog, forum, with a single background photo, add background music, YouTube provides for free, and insert your affiliate link in the video. That's it, I did not talk or show my face. And within that month, I got a commission from them. I continued making a few more videos, 'cause they were so easy to do. And in 2 to 3 months, the commissions were coming in regularly. It really is as simple as that. I am going to take you through the entire process, step by step, and then show you how to scale it up for even more profit. You don't want to miss out on this. For sure.
Cool, right? To download this product, all you have to do is click on the link below, and that'll take you to the page where you can download it. Thanks for watching, guys.